On this episode, we're changing this transmission mount. So you can see that this thing is falling apart. It's all squishy. I got the transmission jacked up a little bit for support because we're fixing to take it loose. So these are all 13s. I'm gonna start up here, I think. Yeah. And break it loose from here. This is a little bit wonky, but it'll be okay. And then this one's gonna be even bigger pain in the ass because this sensor's in the way. And I might just have to do it the hard way. Like this. I'm trying to keep my big head out of the way here. Can get it, so run that back and then grab that and push it back. So we're going to take this and we're going to go like this and pull the washer off. And then is this thing going to move? Sometimes you get lucky. No. It's not gonna fucking come off. But no problemo. I got a long 13. It's not over here. So there's a washer here. Got it. And then we're gonna shift this thing down, and then the whole thing comes out. So it mounts in. You can see that this thing is pretty much wasted. I need this piece, and then this thing will slide out like so, and then we could look at it. So it's destroyed. That's why we got a new one. So let me clean this off and clean this off, and I'm gonna clean this off, and then we'll be right back. So our friends over at Vic's sent us a new transmission mount. This thing only goes on one way, okay? It's got a high and a low, right? And what's going on? There we go. So it's gonna go on like that. Loud sound. That compressor is whisper quiet. Can barely even hear it running. This motherfucker. So you gotta spread these a little bit to get this tube in here. It's giving me some fits. There it goes. And then you got to get everything lined up to get your bolt back in. So it's going to require some tapping. So we got our, remember, it only goes on one way. So all that has to line up, and all this has to line up, and then you got to get it on here, and then get it on there, like so. That's a great idea. I'm going to take these off. Put on my lock washers. And then put the nuts back on. So, I want to tighten these. No particular order here, but you know, something. Okay, and then over here, there's a washer, lock washer, and some more 13 millimeters. So I've lifted that thing up. And then we're gonna look at this. And this. And then we're done. So transmission mount is in. No more of that drippy shit. And let this down. See, trans doesn't move. So it's, you know, just doing its job now. I gotta move up here to the clutch area, and there's a boot that goes on here that's completely missing. So we'll get that on the next video.